Right, now we're taking a look. That's the fourth aeroplane we've now seen. That's the fourth one we've just now seen that time. Obviously, whereas if this time that was Piper PA-28-R-200 we've just seen that time. That's the second Piper I've just now seen apparently, but this time it's Piper PA-28-R-200 I've just seen that time. And maybe you can see that one, and you can see the rate is G-RACO, that is. You can see that was a Cherokee Aeroplane just seen that time. And yep, and where you can see here, look, as we just saw it turning, as he was about 28,000 feet, then it just turned as he was heading towards Maida. So as he flew in about 28,000 feet. I have no clue where this plane's heading off to though. As you can see, let me just see where it's come from. You can see here though, because that took off as based by the looks of it. It's come from all the way to old as you can see it took off its base at Old Walden Airfield, which I think that place I've not heard before though. As you can see, that took off at 11:25 AM this morning. But as you can see here, this is where it's travelling from, all the way from Old Walden Airfield and then into Cornwall. But looks of it, yeah. Don't know where the hell it looks like it's going off to though. Don't know where the earth this plane's going to though. It might be going off to Newquay Airport, I suppose. Hopefully this might be going over to Cornwall Airport, Newquay, I suppose. It should be going over to descend at Cornwall Airport, Newquay. Or however, it might be going to Pamplin Airfield or Bodmin Airfield, but obviously that depends on if this plane goes apparently, but it'll probably be heading off to Newquay Airport, I suppose, but I suppose Newquay Airport is going to head off to anyway. Okay, so yep, that was a Piper PA-28-R-200, that was, and the rate is G-RACO, that was. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.